A serial paedophile child molester from Derby, Ethan Hewitt, who previously celebrated outside the courthouse by proclaiming to pals, "I beat the law," after evading incarceration for the sexual abuse of a schoolgirl, has made another court appearance. Ethan Hewitt befriended a 13-year-old girl, referred to her as wifey, and suggested they engage in sexual intercourse in a field to conceive a child. Derby Crown Court was informed that Ethan Hewitt conversed with the victim over the prospect of having a child together, suggesting that if she was unprepared for sexual relations, they might simply engage in kissing and cuddling. During a month-long duration, the 24-year-old communicated over 3,700 messages via social media platforms, including Snapchat and WhatsApp, with the adolescent, who has mental health challenges, as stated at a sentencing hearing. At that time, he was under a sexual harm prevention order, enacted due to previous sexual offences involving minors. Recorder Helen Malcolm sentenced Ethan Hewitt, who has no established address, to 3 years and 4 months in prison, stating, "Your prior record is exceedingly poor and includes previous violations. You were on parole during the whole period for which I am condemning you. During that month, you had direct interactions with a 13-year-old on multiple occasions and exchanged approximately 3,794 messages with her via Snapchat, WhatsApp, and other platforms. You have also removed messages. I have reviewed the reports indicating your lack of awareness regarding the impact on your victims. You have demonstrated what is termed willful disobedience towards authority figures and deliberately pursue opportunities to cause offense. You present a significant risk of harm to young females, and the exchange of nearly 4,000 messages with a 13-year-old within 1 month is exceedingly alarming." Sarana Varatharaja, for the prosecution, stated that Ethan Hewitt, formerly of Aylestone, Leicester, was found guilty of engaging in sexual conduct with a female under the age of 16 at Manchester Crown Court in 2021 and subsequently became subject to an order, which he violated on 4 occasions. She stated that he was subsequently convicted of the identical offence in March 2023. The prosecutor said under its terms, he was not to have any contact with any female aged under the age of 16. But while he was the subject of it, he befriended his latest victim in July 2024. Ms. Varatharaja said, "The grooming was kept secret and developed to become sexual. He told her he loved her, he spoke to her about getting married and they spoke about having sex. He said they would have to wait until she turned 16 and he told her not to tell anyone about their conversations. He called her wifey and she called him hubby. He said if she was not ready for sex they could just kiss and cuddle. He said, as they could not go to a hotel because of her age, they could have sex in a field." Ethan Hewitt's offending was discovered by the victim's mother, and the police became involved and arrested him. He later pleaded guilty to breaching his sexual harm prevention order and to a charge of engaging in sexual communication with a child. The judge also imposed a new indefinite sexual harm prevention order, and Hewitt will remain on the sex offender register, also indefinitely.